Sector 3, northeast of Zermatt, for Alpine Rescue Mission.
Aerolite was founded in 1995 and has a leading position in the world market for high-quality and functional medical interiors for aircraft. The success of Aerolite is founded both on the development and manufacturing of lightweight, refined, and customized interior solutions for medical missions. This with a high level of consulting expertise and working together closely with its civil and military customers. Today, over 100 employees in Switzerland and the United States implement customer needs for tailor-made interior solutions and corresponding service. Highly trained workers at the company manufacture the primary components for air ambulance interiors. These parts are composed mainly of aluminum alloys, and the company utilizes the latest technologies such as milling, cutting, and bending in the manufacturing process. This is precision work, and parts are thoroughly checked at every step of the manufacturing process. Aerolite skilled workers assemble complex honeycomb cabin furniture for air ambulance interiors. These parts must be produced with precision to detail. In addition to manufacturing, Aerolite's workers are skilled at designing and assembling complex air systems, such as use oxygen, compressed air, and vacuum. Experts constantly perform static testing of the assemblies. The results are used by the company's Research and Development Department to gain supplemental type certification for each customized air ambulance interior. One specialty of Aerolite is the production of composite components used in air ambulance interiors, boats, medical technology, motorsports, bicycle parts, and assemblies. To produce these components, Aerolite has state-of-the-art laminate cutting machines, jigs and tools, hot presses, and autoclaves. The Aerolite Quality Control Department runs rigorous tests to ensure the superior quality and long-term functionality of all assemblies. The company holds approvals by EASA and quality management certifications. After extensive testing, each assembly gets an identification placard. Quality control is extremely important, since this equipment will be used in life-threatening situations. Aerolite continues to work every day on developing new, clever, lightweight aeromedical solutions to further optimize the rescue process and save lives, because the patient's life is always the main focus.